Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video you will learn how to make your own Omegle. Okay, so this is my first part 1 for Omegle series. Now you have to know that how we can code, and after that we have to test the code which will be made by AI apps or any other way with the code. Okay, after that we have to push the code on like GitHub pages, on GitHub, and after that we have to choose the backend hosting. This is very important because uh, if you want to make an Omegle with completely free, so you have to choose a correct backend hosting platform that gives you a free tier, a virtual CPU that works on cloud, and that can easily manageable your Omegle. Okay, so this is the process. I think we build my own Omegle web app. So after that we gonna publish it. Okay, so first of all we have to go on code. Okay, so let's discuss about how you can code the Omegle website. Okay, so first of all, if you have to build a Omegle, so you need all the requirements like uh, real-time chat. Okay, so this is the most important that you have to know that real-time chat is very necessary. So this is the main. After that we will use WebRTC. So this is the WebRTC we have to use in JavaScript. So you have to know about this. Okay, when you gonna code, so you have to code WebRTC and real-time chat applications. For that, WebRTC is very perfect. Okay, and it can store databases or any others, but using WebRTC in real time, you can make it privately the user's preference. So you can also make a very private web app. Okay, so this is the thing. So the requirements like real-time video streaming with voice streaming also. All these functions should be work. So in Omegle series, when we build our Omegle, so we have to know that in our requirements the video streaming and the voice streaming must be work. So we can say that yes, we build our Omegle web. Okay, so now let's discuss after the code what you have to do. Okay, so when you code with these platforms, okay, which means when you code with these requirements, you have to test it. Okay, so if you have a laptop, you can test it on CMD, or if you have a mobile phone, so if mobile phone users, you can test on Termux. You can search on Play Store about Termux and you can install it easily, and you can test the code very easily on localhost. Okay, after that testing we have to push the code. Okay, so where we have to push on GitHub, like, so we have to push on GitHub. After the GitHub we have to choose the best hosting provider. So we have to best hosting provider like Render is the best free tier hosting provider that gives you I think 1 GB bandwidth. I'm not sure, but yes, this is a free tier. You can use your web apps like any backend you have to host. You can use the Render for free. Okay, now when you test on Termux or CMD, you have to push on GitHub. You have to choose backend server like render, and you have to publish it. Okay, so this is thing. So first of all, in this video we will discuss the full architecture, how the Omegle like web app can be made. Okay, so ignore my English. This is my first video for English. I'm gonna talk to you, so please ignore this. Just uh, take the input what I am giving you. So this is the thing. So how to code? So I have complete my own code, so we can share our own code when on the stream. So this is my own code from where I build my own Vartalab web app. So you can see its UI on Gens. All the UI and backend servers are open sources on GitHub. I can share my GitHub pages. First of all, you know the code. You can also using Claude for best UI UX designs, or you can use Gemini for coding like backend server coding. And this platform you have to you can usually this with using Claude you can build your UI like the front end, and with using Gemini you can build your own backend for your website. Now you have to merge this all, the UI and the backend, in a single folder and test it on Termux. After you go on the Termux and test it that it is working on the localhost 3000, on localhost 3000, when you see that yes it is working now, so you have to now make a zip folder or anything that you want. Okay, so but just of all that you have to push the files to your main home of your device. After that, moving the files you have to host on GitHub. Okay, when you host on the GitHub you have to select the repository from render, like this one I am going to select, and you boom, your website is live. This is my complete architecture of my complete process, how I made my own web app like Omegle. Okay, so if you understand or if you have any doubts, so I will cover in my next video. So first of all, just understand the architecture that I made in few days. Okay, so this is the things. Okay guys, so I hope you understand the logic that I want to understand you. We will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.